Email newsletters are too much effort and too complicated? In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the creation of a professional-looking newsletter. No coding skills needed.
Superhacks, the HubSpot Experts. Presented by WPWA Digital.
Hey, I'm Chiara, Project Manager at WPWA Digital. As an official Platinum partner, we support you with everything related to HubSpot. Now you're working with a modular drag-and-drop builder. That means you can easily add, move, and customize content blocks like text, images, and buttons. First, you go to Marketing in the top navigation and then click Email. You'll land in the email overview with several tabs. You have drafts, scheduled, sent, and folders to help keep things organized. To create a new newsletter, click on Create Email and select the regular email type. And then we click on Next. Now you can choose a template. If you have a template like we have, you can click on it and choose it. Or, like we are going to do, you go on All Templates and choose from scratch. Now you're inside the editor. This is where you'll design your newsletter. You can go onto Add and choose your models or your sections. And if you put it by drag and drop in there, you can just drop it here. And you can choose if you want to have one column or more, and if you want to add a column after it, you can just add it with the plus. And if you want to fine-tune your box, you can just scroll down and choose the right things for your content. After this, you can choose the box you want to put in there. So you go on to Add, and you can choose your model. So for example, if you want to have a text in there, you just drag it and drop it in here, and then you have your text box. If you click directly on any box to edit that specific content area, you can choose, for example, the font, you can choose the style, and you can choose bold, italic, or underline. So stuff like you would do it in Word. And if you want to add more content, you just go back to Add, you choose the right thing you want to drop, you pick it up, and drop it where you want to have your content. For example, image, you can just drop it there and select an image or generate it with AI. And now if you want to select an image, you just click on it and then you can choose something about a recently updated stuff, or you upload a new image from your machine. And if you want to add a call to action button, you go back and then you choose button. Now you can link each button to the page you want the user to visit. So you have to put the link in here and write a clear action-oriented label like learn more or get the offer. And our pro tip, place buttons smart, near compelling content or call to actions. And by the way, you can also link to different things like one of your pages, meeting links, or a file download. And to improve your click rate, we suggest certain tokens to personalize your newsletter like your greeting. And for this, we are gonna add a new text. Put it in there, and then we are going to write hello and personalize your token. So you are going to choose your contact, and then you say that you want to have a first name base with the person. Very important is to always set a fallback value, just in case the data isn't available. For example, you say hello, Maya, and then if the first name isn't known, it will default to there. Then you are going to tip there and insert it. And there you have your token. Enjoying the video so far? Show us with a like. If you don't want to miss anything about HubSpot, subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell. Now we are going to prepare our newsletter to send it afterwards. So we are going to click on Settings, and here's where you set all the important delivery details. Under From Name, you can choose the sender's name of the newsletter. And in From Address, you choose the sender's email. Now we are going to click into Subject Line, because here you put in your line, which is going to show up when you send your email to the person. And remember, your subject line is key for getting that open. So take time to write something compelling. The same goes for your preview text, because this is the text the person who is getting your newsletter first sees. Then we are going to choose the language and the subscription type. This ensures the recipient only get emails they've opted into. Then we are going to choose Send or Schedule. Here you can choose your recipient list, usually a predefined list you've created beforehand. And after this, you can exclude bounces. These are contacts with invalid email addresses. Maybe you use a list from your CRM to filter them out. And optionally, you can exclude unengaged contacts. These are users who haven't opened or clicked emails in a while. You have two sending options. You can send your newsletter now, or you can choose schedule for later. And under automation, you can create follow-ups for your newsletter. Be careful, if you have not the permission to do it, contact your super admin. And once the email is sent, you can also check your analytics. For your performance, you click on Send and on the newsletter. There you have your performance. Here you can see stuff like your open rate, your click rate, and your reply rate. And that's it. You've successfully created a newsletter in HubSpot. Do you have any questions or video requests? Let us know in the comments. And if you're looking to implement HubSpot in your company or need personalized support, just click the first link in the video description.